welcome back. Today I have some really cool DIYs to share with you, and I'm going to be showing you how to glam out your dining room on a Dollar Tree budget. If you guys are interested in seeing how I DIY my way into a glamorous dining room for fall, just keep on watching. I'll be taking these leaves from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using these doilies from the Dollar Tree as well. They come in a set of 2, and you'll need 2 packs of these. Inside your pack, you'll find 2 slightly different sizes. I'm going to be taking that larger size and working my way around the perimeter of my doily. Now that I have that first row completed, it really doesn't matter what size of leaf you use next. Just make sure you leave about 1 inch of space and alternate between each leaf. Guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel as well as hitting the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Next, I'm just going to be taking it outside to spray paint, and I'll be using gold spray paint for this project. In a bowl, I'll be mixing this champagne gold colored fine glitter that I picked up from Walmart as well as Mod Podge. Now I'm just brushing that glitter Mod Podge mixture onto a few of my leaves. I'm not going to do every leaf, but I'm going to do sporadic leaves on the placemat. They look like on my dining room table. You can totally use these just like this if you wanted to, but I am going to dress them up a little bit more. I found these beautiful chargers at the Dollar Tree, and if you can't find them for yourselves at the store, check dollartree.com. They're usually on their site. These gold leaves are from Target. Now, they were originally a green color, and I got them last year after the season for 90% off, which worked out to be around 30 cents. Now, to get this table a little bit more glam, I found these sparkly placemats at Hobby Lobby, and they were 40% off, which worked out to be a little bit over $2. To create the look of a runner, I'm going to be overlapping my placemats so that I don't see the rounded edges of the ends of the mat. Next, I'll be taking this garland that I had for years. Now, if you don't have a gold garland, you can simply just spray paint your old existing garland. This gold pumpkin was also a DIY. It came originally a green color as well from Target. So all I did to achieve this look is first spray paint my pumpkin gold and then go in with Mod Podge and champagne gold glitter. These picks are from Hobby Lobby, and again they were 40% off, which worked out to be $1 and change. These candle holders are also a DIY that I did a few years ago. They're actually just Dollar Tree bowls and candle holders spray painted gold and held together with hot glue. For my next DIY, I'll be going in with this 14 by 36 canvas that I picked up at Hobby Lobby for 40% off. I'll be using this white paint that I picked up from Walmart. I like to do this even though the canvas is white because I feel like it gives me a smoother base for when I'm painting. Next, I'll be going in with this brown paint that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be going in with this deep gold paint that I picked up from my local craft store. here was to create a gradient effect with a darker gold being at the bottom and then gradually fading into a lighter gold toward the top. How I achieved this was just by adding more product toward the bottom of my painting and then making sure that my brush stayed a little bit drier toward the top of the painting. Alright, so now it's just time to add some sparkle. I'm going to go right back in with that same Mod Podge and glitter mixture. For my last DIY, I'll be taking this wood that I already had in my basement. I had my husband build me this 39 by 31 foot square. And so you see me here just filling the holes from the previous shelves. Alright, so now I'm just going to sand off my excess wood filler. Right here you just see that I have spray painted it white so that I have a base to lay down my gold spray paint. Now I'll be taking this old hula hoop that my kids had over the summer, and it is from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to spray paint my hula hoop gold. I'm using a Dollar Tree shoebox to help me hold up my hula hoops so that they won't fall down when I'm trying to hot glue them together. Now I'm just going to go right back in with that fine glitter Mod Podge mixture. Right here, I'm just letting you see how it looks in the space before I put my decorations on it. And here's how it looks with the decorations. I am so happy with this piece. hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a big thumbs up, as well as subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.